Hello friends, welcome to Newsmaster for today's top 10 news. And do visit our website www.newsmasters.in for more updates. Today's first news is government and central public sector enterprises will clear all receivables of MSMEs within 45 days, said by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. She also offered government backed collateral loans worth rupees 3 lakh crore to MSMEs. Second news, government announced reduction in mandatory EPF contribution of both employers and employees from existing 12% each to 10% each for all establishment covered by EPF for next 3 months. CPSs and state PSUs will continue at the existing 12% as employer contribution. Third news is due date of income tax returns for financial year 1920 extended from July 31st and October 31st to November 30th. Furthermore, tax audit getting paid on September 20, 2020 extended to October 31st, 2020. For more updates, do visit our website www.newsmasters.in. Fourth news, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman reduced TDS rates for non-salaried payments by 25% till March 2021. The payment for contract, professional fees, interest, rent, dividend, commission and brokerage shall be covered under TDS reduction. Fifth news, government launches 30,000 crore special liquidity scheme for NBFCs, HFCs and MFIs. Investment under the scheme can be made in both primary and secondary market in investment grade through debt papers. Sixth news is new definition of MSMEs announced by government. Investment limit increased. Distinction between manufacturing and service sector eliminated. The investment limit of 25 lakh 5 crore 10 crore for micro, small and medium units has been increased to rupees 1 crore, 10 crore and 20 crore. Seventh news is insolvency resolution professional invites fresh EOI for Jet Airways for the fourth time, and the last date for submission of bid document is May 28. In March, the NCLT granted 90 days extension for Jet Airways. Eighth news is India overtakes China in fintech funding in Q1 2020. For the first time in 5 quarters, CB Insights reported. China saw its worst quarter for fintech with 29 deals totaling 175 million in quarter. Ninth news is Manoj Ahuja appoints as new chairman of CBSE. He is 1990 batch IAS officer of Odisha. Ahuja will replace Anita Karwal, who is appointed secretary at the Department of School Education and Literacy. Last news of today's Sensex opens 1470 points higher, Nifty closes 9550 after PM announces package. Rupees 20 lakh crore economic package, which is equivalent to 10% of India's GDP, announced by Prime Minister. Thanks for watching Newsmaster.